Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about Hund's rule in structure of atom chapter in 10th class physical science. So what about Hund's rule, students? So it is one of the three rules useful to write electronic configuration. So statement of Hund's rule, what is that? Pairing of electrons in a degenerate orbital takes place, or pairing of electrons in a degenerate orbital starts only after filling all available degenerate orbitals with one electron each. It means that if an atom of element has some degenerate orbitals, so every orbital has a space for 2 electrons. Maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in orbital is 2. But in the case of degenerate orbitals, at a time 2 electrons do not go into degenerate orbital. So all the degenerate orbitals are first filled with 1 electron each. If there are any remaining electron, then pairing will be started. This is called Hund's rule. So degenerate orbitals are nothing but orbitals having same energy levels are called degenerate orbitals. Example for degenerate orbitals, p orbitals and d orbitals. So for example, we are taking element oxygen whose atomic number is 8. It has, so atom of oxygen element has 8 electrons, students. So its electron configuration in general is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. But according to Hund's rule, but here S is not a degenerate orbital, P is a degenerate orbital, students. So according to Hund's rule, this electron configuration can also be written as this is the 2 electrons present in the 1s orbital at a time will enter the 1s orbital. So 2 electrons of 2s orbital can enter at a time 2, like this. So these are the 2 electrons present in the 1s orbital. These are the 2 electrons present in the 1s orbital. But into this 1s, into this 2s, 2 electrons at a time entered. But 2p, p is a degenerate orbital. So this subshell has 3 p orbitals as a 2px, 2py, 2pz. So these three are having same energy level, so they are called degenerate orbitals. So the subshell p present in the second shell has 3 orbitals px, py, pz. They are written as 2px, 2py, 2pz. So these are degenerate orbitals. But degenerate orbitals, how degenerate orbitals are filled with electrons can be explained by Hund's rule. So pairing of electron in the degenerate orbitals will be started only after filling all available degenerate orbitals with 1 electron each. So now here 4 electrons there, students. So out of these 4 electrons, first 1 electron goes into 2px, 1 electron goes into 2px, 1 electron goes into 2px according to Hund's rule. You can see only after filling all available degenerate orbitals with 1 electron each. So out of 4 electrons, these 3 degenerate orbitals are filled with 1 electron each. So remaining one more is there. Out of 4, 3 are completed, students, 1 is there. Then pairing will be started. So like that. So we can write the electron configuration for degenerate orbital, students. That's all. This is important topic.